So to get IT job as a fresher in software industry, it's a very difficult nowadays. Then how to get a job as a fresher in IT? I'm going to explain few tips. You just to follow these tips, so there might be chance are there to get IT job as a fresher as well. So everyone knows there are lakhs of graduates are passing out every year, but only thousands of graduates only they are getting IT job as a fresher. Then how to get a job as a fresher in software industry? And I hope everyone knows what is the entry process as a fresher in software industry. So there might be 3 rounds or 4 rounds are there based on the IT company or software companies. The first round should be attended as a aptitude test. How to attend the online written test? Once you qualified in the online written test, then only you can move to next round, like it might be technical round or assignment round. Most of the companies they will conduct a second round as a technical round. That means you have to face the technical interviews. Once you qualify in the technical round also, then they will schedule another round like HR round or manager round. Once you complete HR round successfully, then companies will release the offer letter. So this is the exact hiring process of a fresher in software industry. The first round must be a aptitude test or written test. Therefore, you should prepare aptitude or reasoning and English and some programming concepts. And second round, it must be technical round. That means you have to prepare any one programming language, database concepts, operating system related concepts, and network related concepts. It is based on your choice. And third round, you have to prepare some HR and behavioral interview questions. So then only it is easy for you to crack the software interview as a fresher. So this is the actual hiring process for fresher in software industry. Let us talk about how to get a job as a fresher in software industry. See guys, the first thing is you have to focus on your communication skills, because most of the software companies or IT industry expecting from the candidate communication skills. So if you are good in communication skills, then there are higher chances are there to get software job as a fresher nowadays. No matter whether you have in-depth technical skills or not, but if you have strong communication skills, the company used to prefer to hire those candidates only, because companies gives technical training to the candidates. Okay, so if you are very good in communication skills, that's enough. However, they will train on technical programs. Okay, so that is the most important skills nowadays. Many candidates are used to ask me, is this communication is mandatory to get software job? Yes, of course, communication skills are mandatory, guys. So minimum average communication skills are important. If you are very poor in communication, then companies won't prefer to hire those candidates, because there is a huge competition is there. There are many candidates are there. There are lakhs of candidates are there who are good in communication skills. And second thing is you must be good in object oriented concepts. It might be Java related concept or C# related concept or Python, whatever it may be. You should have good knowledge on object oriented principles. And next one is you must be good at database concepts as well. So if you are good in on these skills, then there are higher chances are there to get job as a fresher. Communication skills, object oriented principles, and database skills. And next one is you must be good in on latest technologies as well, like cloud computing and machine learning and artificial intelligence, okay, and cybersecurity related, network related concept. It's not a mandatory to depth knowledge on all these technologies, but if you have basic knowledge on latest technologies like cloud computing, DevOps and Agile, okay, and some artificial machine learning, okay, data analytics tools, that is added advantage for freshers, but it's not a mandatory. So to get IT job, then the primary skills are required, like database skills, communication skills, and some object oriented concepts, okay, and good problem solving skills and analytical skills. So these are the primary skills for fresher. So if you have these primary skills, then no one can stop you guys to get IT job as a fresher. Definitely companies used to hire. And final one is, if you are good in on programming language, then try to complete one mini project or academic project with your hands. Then it is very helpful to you you can explain. So you can explain your project during the interview, then interviewer definitely impress on your technical skills. This is the way to get IT job as a fresher in software industry nowadays. And many candidates are used to ask me where to find these fresher IT jobs. So I will tell you few websites you can apply there for freshers. First one is firstnaukri.com. That is one of the best website for freshers to apply for IT jobs. And second one is LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is also very helpful to get job as a fresher. You have to upload a strong resume in the LinkedIn account. And third one is ask reference. So if you have any colleagues or in your network, any friends or relatives, you just use to ask any reference. Then it might be helpful to you get as a fresher IT job as soon as possible. There may be, yes, there are a lot of other options also there, but these are the main options to find job as a fresher. Okay, so that's all guys, mine. I hope this information is very helpful for freshers, how to get job and where to find IT jobs. If you feel this information very helpful for freshers, then don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to share to your network and your dear friends as well. So we will meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.